For this DIY, you will need old jeans, scissor, chalk and a tweezer. Now take your jeans and mark where you want to cut. Now I'm going to wear my jeans and check whether the mark is in correct place or not. After that, I'm going to cut my jeans where I mark. Now take your tweezer and start pulling random threads like this. Now just start pulling vertical threads. Don't worry, I'm going to show you the better close-up. And now I'm going to repeat this in all the cuts. So that's it guys, you will need to repeat this in every cut. So this is the final look. Thank you for watching. For more such videos, please go and subscribe.